Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome to my platform, and you are watching Tochi's channel. If it's your first time and you like what I do here, please, after watching this video, subscribe, put on your notification bell, turn it to all notification so that you'll be getting all updates from me anytime I upload a new video. What do I do here? Here I talk about life in Germany. Oh yes, I give information to those who want to know more about Germany, either to come here to study, to relocate, to do business. We also talk about motherhood. Yes, motherhood is occupying this platform now because we found out that a lot of women, they are finding it difficult to conceive. So we help them to calculate the fertile days, ovulation, so that they will be able to conceive. So if you like all these things, what are you waiting for? Click on that red button and put on your notification bell. Those cost you nothing, but it adds a great value to me. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you things that can help you to identify your fertile days, to know when you are ovulating. Most of the women out there, they do not know their cycle. They do not know when they are likely going to ovulate. And remember, if you are not ovulating, there is no how you can become pregnant. No ovulation, no pregnancy. No ovulation, no release of an egg from the ovary. Where there is no egg, there is no fertilization. And where there is no fertilization, there is nothing like pregnancy. So you need to study your body. Yes, our body speaks to us every time. It's just that we are so busy, so occupied, we don't pay attention to our body. Most of the women don't know their cycle, they don't know their ovulation, they don't know when they are likely going to ovulate. Why do we always talk about ovulation? It's not only on the ovulation day that you can become pregnant. You can become pregnant during your fertile days. But why we pay much emphasis on ovulation day? Because ovulation day is the most fertile day of your life. That is the day that it is a must. That is, if everything is okay by you and your partner, you must conceive after baby dancing these days. So many people, they don't know how to calculate it, and thank God for the doctors, thank God for the pharmaceuticals. They have produced something that can help you to dictate or to find out when you are likely going to ovulate. So if you fall into the categories of those people that do not know when they are likely going to ovulate, this thing I am going to be displaying here will help you, will be very, very useful to you. Watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will understand what I am talking about. So this is called Ovulation Prediction Kit, OPK. This help you to dictate what is called LH surge. This LH surge increases during your ovulation. So this is two different kinds of OPK. We have the one that I think that is more accurate, that is clear blue. I don't have it here, but if you have money, you can buy clear blue. I always encourage people to use different kinds of OPK. Don't just base your result on one, because some may not give you the adequate result that you are looking for. So you need to use like 2 or 3 to compare so that you will know. When the 3 of them shows you that it shows you 2 lines or tells you that you are ovulating, then it's accurate. When 2 out of 3 tells you is the same accurate, like this one. Now this one is called LH ovulation test stripe. So this is from Amazon. You can get it in Amazon. Like you see, it's more like this, about in there is 50 56 of ovulation. Look at it, 50 is 50 in number. And you know, this one, you cannot say it is 100% accurate. It might be 100% accurate, but you cannot say anyone is 100% accurate until you use 3 of them. So this one is another one. This is presence ovulation test, and this one is about how many here? About 7. Yeah, 7. You can see it's 7 tests in there. So what you do is this. How to use this, I cannot open it now because if I open it, it's useless. So what you do is this. If you have 28-day cycle, for people who have 28-day cycle, according to research, you may likely going to ovulate between the cycle day 14th to 15th. If your ovulation did not come on 14th, it will come on the 15th. So, but in most cases, those 14, 15, you might not ovulate. It may come on the 16th. So that is why you need this. You need this. You need, even if you think that you know when you are ovulating, you need it. And some people say that they can use their cervical mucus. Well, you can use your cervical mucus when you know your cervical mucus very well, but it's not 100%. That cervical mucus plays two roles. One, it tells you that you are, as the days of your cycle goes on, the cervical mucus changes will show you that you are approaching your fertile days. For example, when your cervical mucus starts coming out newly, it will be sticky as time goes on. When you are approaching your fertile days or your ovulation days, you will see the cervical mucus will be sticky, drawing like egg white, like people do call it. That is how people use it. So when you are using this test, I don't know if people can see these two lines now. When you see one line like this, it's negative, but when you see these two lines, you see upon the camera, you can see the clarity of that line. You know that you are likely going to ovulate within 12 to 48 hours period to when you conducted this test. So if you have 28-day cycle, then you should start using this. Maybe you start using from this cheap one on the cycle day 11. Then on the cycle day 13 to 14, you switch over to this, or you can use both of them together to see your accurate result. If you have a 30-day cycle, please start testing on the cycle day 11 too. If you have 35-day cycle, start testing on the cycle day 14th. The reason why you need to start this is for you to catch the real date of your ovulation. Some people assume, because they said if you have 28-day cycle, you will ovulate on the cycle day 14th. So people assume that they will ovulate on the 14th. But on that 14th, nothing may happen. And maybe on that 14th, you will stop baby dancing. And maybe your ovulation will come either on the 15th or 16th. But the use of this can help you catch the ovulation day. The ovulation day is the D-day. So let's see how this thing works. Your fertile day starts 5 days to your ovulation. So what does it mean? If you baby dance, what I mean by baby dance, if you have sex on these days, you know, sperm can last in your body for 7 days while your egg is inactive. The egg will not do anything. Once it's released, it will be there waiting for the sperm. But once the sperm releases, it will start swimming up to go and meet the egg. So if you make love or baby dance, 5 days period, your ovulation, and the sperm is healthy, the sperm will still be there waiting for the egg to come, waiting for the egg to be released, and it will fertilize it. That is why if you are a TTC mother that is trying to conceive mothers, sex, baby dancing should be your priority. You should be doing it often. Don't wait. Some people will wait. They will not do anything. They will say, oh, I'm waiting for the ovulation day. No, you need to be doing it every other day to get your baby, to get your body ready, to make sure that there is enough sperm in there, so that once the egg is being released, the sperm will fertilize it. That is what makes it easy. So maybe I'm going to make another video live on how you can use this. So what you do is that on the cycle day 11, for people with 28-day cycle, you take your 9 o'clock urine. Please do not do this test with early morning urine, because early morning urine is used for pregnancy test. It's used for HCG test, pregnancy test, but this is ovulation test, LH, that is LH source test, which means you are not going to use early morning urine. You use your 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock urine. Make sure before you conduct this test, you don't take any form of liquid. Don't take water until you finish doing it. Take the early morning, take the 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock urine. You open this stripe and you urinate. You use your urine. You stick this test into it up to 5 seconds. You bring it out, lay it down in a clear place and wait for the result within 2 to 3 minutes. Maybe I'm going to demonstrate it live the next time. So I pray you find this video useful and you do it. It will work for you. Subscribe, share, comment, ask questions in the comment section, and I will be here to answer you. Remain blessed. I love you all.